Yo! First order of the day, we've got a Jack in the Box. This one is $12 going 6 miles. Oh, actually, I just now looked at the order and there's something wrong with it. This one's probably going to be unassigned or something's going to be wrong. It's only one large Fanta. So yeah, unless they're just super thirsty and this is the only option, I cannot see this order being issue-free. I mean, restaurant looks open, I think. I couldn't hear her at all. I'm assuming she said, come to the window.
Thank you.
Can I get a straw?
Oh, yes.
Thank you. Okay, they were open and they actually had the order, being one drink. So this is probably going to be a tip bait. That's the other issue. Now that I'm thinking about it, I think I've delivered to them before and they had like 3 chocolate bars or something weird like that. So this might be legit. We are also doing earn by time today. Current rate is $17 an hour and we just got the first order for that. It is a gravity coffee going 6 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
What does that say? I'm an employee, blah, blah, blah. Meet me in the back of the store at the receiving dock. Okay.
Hi.
Hello.
Thank you so much.
Yep, no problem.
Got it. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
All right, that was simple enough. And that order was $8. Was that worth it? Probably not, because I'm pretty far away from where all the orders are. Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's going 4 miles.
Here's that for you.
Thank you. You too. Good old no tip on that one. Total was $6 and change. Going back to Gravity Coffee for this one. This is going just under 6 miles.
Do you mind contacting them for me in any way you can and letting them know that I'm currently out of stock on my smoothie purees, all of them?
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, it will just be the one drink today.
It says, not your fault. Can you just tell them to cancel the entire order? Well, about that, I already have your drink and I'm already on the way. So no. Total for that one was $6 and change. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just got the tip from that one Jack in the Box that we did. And there was a $17 tip, making that order $20. $20 for one drink. I don't know how to edit, but just imagine fireworks going off. Pew, 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 pew. Really crazy order. Thank you very much. Next up, we've got a Black Rock coffee. This one's probably going to be trash. This one's going 1.5 miles. Thank you.
Thank you.
Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 3 miles, 6 items. Okay, never mind on the other order. They're being so demanding already. I can already tell it's not going to be worth my time. Unfortunate, but it is what it is. Also, that Black Rock coffee was pretty trash, just like I said. It was like $4 and change, something like that. Okay, we got the next one. This is a Subway going 6 miles. Hello.
There you are.
Thank you. Is the drink in there?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. No tip. Total was $5. Holy. Next up, we've got a Starbucks. This one is going just under 3 miles. Thank you.
Have a great day.
Thank you, you too. Total for that order was $5. Yeah. I mean, the drop-off was like less than 5 minutes away from the Starbucks. And we got the next order right away. This is habaneros going just under 5 miles. I think this one's taking me across the river. Just barely, but it is.
Good morning. Pick up for
Thank you. Handed to customer, Expo Center. Ooh, those are two things you never want to see together. Ooh, okay. Yeah, there's a lot of cars here.
Hello, this is Andy. So don't go where all the cars are going. I guess it would be just a little bit to the west. It might be signs that say player drop-off area.
Which way to the player drop-off area?
Oh, straight ahead, brother.
Thank you. For Andy?
Yes, sir.
There you are.
Thank you very much.
Yep. Have a good day. All right, we got out of there in one piece. Let's find out how much this actually gave me. Okay, total for that one was $8. Worth it? No. Okay, we got the next order. Not amazing, but it is taking me back into my zone. We've got a Starbucks, $7 going 5 miles. I didn't really get to look at the details on this one, but they gave me an add-on. It was $9 going an extra mile for Daydream breakfast burritos. Thank you. A customer added a $1 tip to a habaneros order. Ooh, that was the Expo one. Still not worth it, but I do appreciate it. Got this order as I was at the light for it, so it's probably not ready, but we've got a muchas gracias going, I think it's at 3.5 miles. Hello.
Sorry about that. Wait, here you go.
Thank you. Total for that one was $8 and change. Okay, that was a good one. Next up, we've got Don Pedro going 5.5 miles.
Thomas.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Jesus. Total for that order was just under $9. Next up, we've got a Victor Rico's. This one is $9 going 2.5 miles. Thank you. You too. Looks like this one's going to the mall, but I don't think it's open yet, so I'm not sure how I'm supposed to get in there.
Thank you.
Yep, you have a good day. Next up, we've got a stack. I think this is going to the same person. We've got Crumble Cookie and Starbucks. These are both going less than 2 miles. Thank you. Hello. Thank you. One cookie, one drink. I can't imagine this has a tip on it. Did I call it or did I call it? No tip on that one. Total ended up being $8. Base pay was surprisingly high on that. I'm not sure why. And on that note, I am going to be calling it here. Current time is 10:08. Current total, we are at 110, and I think we're just waiting on one Uber tip, which should bring it up to like 116, 117. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.